Dopamine, a double agent in learning and motivation. Researchers discovered a dual role for dopamine, demonstrating its involvement in learning processes and motivation. The role of dopamine in transmitting reward-related information and motivating actions leading to rewarding outcomes has long been a topic of investigation. This has typically been studied through Pavlovian and operant conditioning paradigms. In this research, the team directly compared these two models. What they found was intriguing. Both groups of rats released the same quantity of dopamine when they were presented with a cue. However, it was only in the operant conditioning group that a sustained level of dopamine was observed throughout the entire period of the cue being presented. This continuous presence of dopamine could indicate a bridge between the process of learning and the drive to act, thereby linking to motivation. These observations suggest that dopamine might be involved in both learning and motivation. The first burst of dopamine can be seen as the brain predicting a reward, while the sustained signal could be reflecting motivation levels. The study reconciles two dominant perspectives, one that posits dopamine as a learning signal, and the other that ties it to motivation. This has profound implications, particularly for conditions like addiction, Parkinson's disease, and schizophrenia, which are deeply tied to dopamine's functioning. It hints at the possibility that both the learning and motivation systems could influence these disorders, contingent on timing. In the context of clinical treatments, prescribed drugs that can simultaneously influence both learning and motivation systems is crucial. Antipsychotic medication can affect motivation, and pro-dopamine drugs can instigate impulsive behavior. Therefore, the effects of a drug on both these systems must be carefully considered during treatment. This research provides a fresh viewpoint on the versatile roles of dopamine, drawing attention to its functions in both learning and motivation. This insight is of significant importance in advancing our understanding and treatment of various dopamine-related conditions. Remember to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.